We should talk like this all the time.
That would be fun.
That was a really lame answer. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Extreme Daily Drivers. Once again, back in the house. Today, we're going to be talking about some GMRS radios. That's right. As you guys know, on this channel, we are building the ultimate overlanding rig with our Jeep Commander. Check it out. It's looking sick. And when we finally do take this thing out on the trail, we need to make sure that we can communicate with the people who we're out there with. And you know they're going to be out there getting stuck. We're going to have to go there. We're going to have to save them. And we need them to be able to reach out to us and say, dude, come rescue me because I'm stuck. I don't have a Jeep Commander. I have some sort of inferior vehicle and I need your help, stat. So the way they're going to do that is going to be with a GMRS radio, typically, maybe a CV, although they're kind of like old. But GMRS radio is the way to do it these days. And lucky for us, got an email the other day from this company called Retevis. They said, yo, how about doing a review of our radio? I said, absolutely, I'm totally in the market for one. So they sent me the RA86. Check this thing out. Here it is. Let's do a quick unboxing. All right, let's open this sucker up and see what we got. We have a USB cord with like a little audio jack. Don't know what that does yet because I haven't read the directions yet. This is how new this is to me. Well, here we are. Some well laid out directions. We're going to kind of go over this and learn everything we can about this rad radio. Here is the brains of the system. Super cool, really small. And I want you to know, this is aluminum, dude. This is not plastic. So it looks like that's going to be where our mic is going to go. That looks like a speaker. Like here's where our coax is going to go. So we got that. And what else we got here? What else we got in here? All right, so here's the mic. Very, very nice, really comfortable in the hand, and I love the way these buttons feel. Very nice to push. Looking forward to hooking this up. What else? What else we have? This is our cable. Look at this cute little antenna it comes with. Holy crap, let me get this out of here. All right, so check this little cutie out, man. This is the antenna. Wow, a lot different from the 4-foot CB antenna that I have on my rig. This plugs into the back of our kind of base unit there, and this is what's going to give us signal. It's amazing how small it is. What else do we have? Oh, well, this is pretty important, huh? We got power. We got to be able to power the thing. Comes with your typical cigarette lighter. You could also hardwire this to the battery, but we're going to be using the cigarette lighter today. And what else? Oh, okay. This is where you're going to mount your mic. Pick out a place in your vehicle to go ahead and mount the mic. And then last, looks like we have a bracket and some, these look like magnets. Oh, that one's not a magnet. Are any of these magnets? No. All right, now that we got this thing unboxed, let's go ahead and get it in the Commander.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, it's been a couple hours, but I think I got this installation down. Let's start off with the antenna mount. Check it out. It's a magnet. Drop down here. I got the wire neatly hung up here around my light and then through my window. And then in here, this is where all the work has been setting this all up, man. Oh man, I've been killing myself in here. So yeah, I got it. I got it plugged in the cigarette lighter. I made the connection here, the splice, if you will. I got the wire wrapped around my my shift knob here. And I plugged in the receiver into the unit, so that took some time. And yeah, I think that's it. Obviously, I'm joking around. This took like 20 seconds to install, and I'm not doing a permanent installation in this video. One of the reasons I did it like this is to show you how actually mobile this is. You can permanently mount it in your vehicle, absolutely, but you could also kind of do a quick install like I have done here. Now, obviously, my antenna and the wire routing is pretty weak, right? That part we would probably want to put a little bit more time into than just throwing it on the roof and then through the window. But I am showing you that you can do it this quickly and this easily if you were, let's say, maybe you were camping and you were going to be there for a couple days, and you maybe had a trailer that you were leaving and you'd be sleeping out of that. You could easily just rig this up real quick and you'd have some sort of communication. So that's pretty rad. So let's go ahead and finally turn this thing on. Now, before I turn this on, I should mention that you really shouldn't be using a GRMS radio unless you have your license. The license is $35. You actually get it from the government. It's good for 10 years. And it's necessary to operate one of these. So before you pick up one of these and turn it on, make sure you get your license. Now, to turn on the radio, you're going to hit that top button there. Hold it for 3 seconds and wait for it to power on. Now, this radio is a fully integrated control microphone. So what that means is this does absolutely everything. You don't need to actually touch the base for anything. There's no on and off switch. It's all right here, which makes this super easy to use. So this radio actually comes with 30 channels. 8 of them are repeater. It comes with a 2.1 decibel gain antenna, and it actually puts out 20 watts. That's awesome, because most of the units that you're gonna see, like one of the Midlands, is only putting out 15. It has a dual speaker design, so we got a speaker right here on the microphone and also one on the bass unit. It has adjustable power level, a high and a low, a sweet LCD display that you can actually change the color on it. And it also has Vox control, which allows you to use this hands-free. So let's go over some of the features on the radio, what the buttons actually do. The one on the side here, that's gonna be your push to talk. Anytime you wanna talk, you wanna hold that down, speak, and then let off of it. You have a menu button, a call lock. These buttons here, these are gonna be your volume up and down. Over here we have the WX, which is basically your weather button. And down here we have the scan and monitor button. Now up top, you're gonna see 2 buttons to the right and left of the power button. That's how you're gonna go up and down through channels. Check it out. All right, so let's put this guy to the test. I'm lucky enough to have my wife here as my assistant. Where is she? There she is. She's gonna take the handheld unit and you go for a walk. Let's have a little conversation and let's see how good this sounds.
All right.
All right, so to remember to push to talk, hit the side button. Hey, do you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Nice. I'm taking a walk around the block here.
Hey, where are you at?
On the other side of the house.
You're coming in crystal clear. How do I sound?
You sound good.
We should talk like this all the time.
That would be fun.
That was a really lame answer.
I don't have any witty comeback, sorry.
So what do you guys think of the Retevis RA86? I think it's an awesome deal. And if you compare this to some of the kind of more well-known brands, this is going to come out on top in almost every single feature, including that 20-watt output, man. That is awesome. So this is currently on sale, link down in the description as always, and there's a coupon code for $25 off the list price. Now it's for a limited time, so make sure you go down there, click the link, use the coupon code, $25 off. It's a killer deal. Make sure you take advantage of it. Thanks so much for watching. This sucker is getting permanently installed in the old Commander one of these days, as soon as I get around to it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna keep it mobile like it is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time. Later.